If to each point of x, y, z of a region R in space there corresponds a scalar phi of x, y, z, then phi is called, here we have multiple choices for it. Option number A, vector. Option number B, a scalar point function in R. Option number C, scalar field. Option number D, none. Here the correct answer is option number B, a scalar point function in R. Option number B is the correct answer. The set of all values of a scalar point function phi in R together forms option number A, a scalar field. Option number B, vector. Option number C, scalar field is a function defined on space. Option number D, none. The correct answer is option number A, a scalar field. A function of a space whose value at each point is a vector quantity is called a vector, a scalar field. Option number C, vector space. Option number D, vector field. Here the correct answer is option number D, vector field. The symbol del called del or nebula. Option number A, true. Option number B, false. Here the correct answer is option number A, true. The temperature T of x, y, z within a body A is dash function because there exists only one temperature at each point of A. Option number A, vector. Option number B, a scalar point. Option number C, integrated. Option number D, none. The correct answer is option number B, a scalar point function. Mathematically, we can write a vector as a vector is equal to a vector of x, y, z is equal to a1 of xyz plus a2 of xyz plus a3 of xyz. The set of all values of A in R constitute a vector field. We have to find it is correct or incorrect. Here the correct option is option number A, it is true statement. If vectors A and B are represented by the sides AB and BC of a triangle ABC, then sum of sides is represented by option number A, option number B, option number C or option number D. Here the correct answer is option number B, AC is equal to AB plus BC. Del is defined by, here you see that partial x is written, here is also partial x, here is partial y and here should be partial z. Therefore this is false statement. The pressure and potential due to gravity of the air in the Earth's atmosphere define scalar field. This is correct or incorrect? This is true statement. Therefore option number A is correct. When the del operator is applied on a scalar point function or a vector point function, this may be known as gradient, divergence and the curl. Here the correct answer is option number A. Del phi is equal to 0 if and only if phi is constant. Here the correct answer is option number A, true. This is true statement. The procedure to determine the derivative in a specific direction other than the coordinate axis xyz is called partial derivative, directional derivative, option number C, derivative of function on several variable, none. The correct answer is option number B, directional derivative. Which rule is used for the addition of vectors? Option number A, right hand rule, option number B, left hand rule, option number C, head to tail rule, option number D, none. The correct answer is option number C, head to tail rule. A vector in space has how many components? Option number A 1, option number B 2, option number C 3, option number D 4. The correct answer is option number C 3. Which is the unit vector along the x-axis? I, j, k, none. The correct answer is option number A, I. This is the unit vector along the x-axis. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos on mathematics.